Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Wednesday, Whiskey Wednesday. Yesterday I was busy with filming a couple different things for the Young People's Cooking series that I'm starting to put together, and it was fun. We had a lot of fun. It was me. I had a lot of fun doing it. Got the intro out, and I also have the basic kitchen tools and gadgets video out. You can find the link to the YouTube video in Casual Chef's Kitchen. Last night, I actually made dinner for myself. I did a pasta aglio olio, or however you say it. Basically, pasta with olive oil, a little bit of butter, and some just some yumminess. Very basic, kind of quick, as quick as you can cook pasta. It was great. I almost had a full pound of pasta myself, but I cleared out all the odds and ends of just the regular pasta, bow tie pasta, and so forth out of my pantry. So that's all gone now. Today, in the middle of filming, so I'm doing some more filming today, I am going to be putting together Italian drunken noodles. Let's take a look. Got the hardware going. I'm going to be doing it in the wok. I love doing wok work. It's fun. Today's meal is very vegetarian. There is no meat in this meal. So I'm going to be using some linguine, some olive oil, some white wine, some heavy cream, some chicken stock, kosher salt, black pepper, and we're going to go back to the left. There's parm cheese, garlic, 3 different colors of bell peppers, yellow squash, zucchini, red onion, basil. I get to do my chiffonade. I love doing chiffonade. Some cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, cherubs, whatever. And for a little bit of heat, red chili pepper flakes. So as you can see, it's a veggie meal. It's going to have some fun flavor in it, but basic. It's a basic meal. It's an easy meal. It's a lot of prep. It's a lot of cutting. But, it's what I do. Have fun. So, let's see. This is my portable studio here for when I do all my video work. So, what do you got going on this Whiskey Wednesday? You know what I'm doing. So, have a great day. Eat great food, and always have fun cooking. Phenomena.